Ahee vatsonga va ka hina i Mayanda ndzi kombisa so loko ku ri u subscribe ni kombela u subscribe swa ni tshama ku ni nga ni swi vula ku sweswi nkarhi wo tshama kha hi update music wa Xitsonga so for lava sungulaka vona I post regularly maybe 2 times a week ni kha ni vulavula music wa Xitsonga the-updates and do analysis so loko if you're interested ka Xitsonga music you can as well subscribe so the artist later ti need promotion ku uploadeliwa music online na swin'wana na swin'wana with regards to promotion khumba kwala ka number ya liya 064 968 9940 so namuntlha ndo swi hava because I've got a lot of issues to highlight on so nda summarize the issues leti hinkwato. The first thing that I want to say ku for the first time I personally played risimu ra Mayanda rin'we more than 5 times. Lera hakumaku ra timbanga if you haven't had it I think na kwala ka YouTube or vakona va nga ra upload na le ka Facebook mi nga checka timeline ya King Cha Media. I think he also posted it. So for the first time I felt like Mayanda had his identity. Because one thing lexi xi nga xi koti ku yingisela Mayanda a ku ri timhaka ta ku a ni twa nga ku duwelela ngopfu xo sungula xo vumbirhi a ni twa nga ku ti ringetela swinene ku lava ku sound nga ku i matswa ma so hi swona swi endla ku swi ni tikela ku ni ti yingisela because a swi olovi honestly ku rhandza product leyi zamaka ku ti endla yin'wani loko ti va the original one that's why na loko makula ma kopela Gucci hambi yo sasekisa ku yini ngonyani yi tlhe yi tlula Gucci swa tika ku munhu a nga fika a nghena makuleni a yi xava kumbexani ku vanhu lava va ku mbala ku mpahla ku va yi vona ku va yi rhandza because va kha va tiva the original product no? So that's one of the reasons but I feel like uti kahle Daman on this recent single uti kahle Daman and if the album is like that ngoba ku ri ku pfuka ka yena nga va ku ri nkarhi wa ku a nghena ka mainstream. Then the second thing I want to talk about the EP ya Nomonde Rodger ndzi ni kuma nkarhi ni yingisela se aku yingiseleni ka mina I realized ku Nomonde is actually more talented than we think. She has the potential to go mainstream with the right management. She has the potential to go mainstream with the right management. Why am I saying this? She oreswa in the Makhamba and loko ora the Makhamba swi nga ku endliweni vo na va nga rasi recently I beat ya kambe man Papa Kwatsi they told him to send the beat and point out the arrangements and then hi yin'wanyana like aliya ni nga endla video yona ku na arrangements even then arrangements letiya ti hela ti nga fikeleliwi hinkwato ku ya hi sayiti ra vona so leswiwani swi va swi kha swi khata the relationship hi ndlela ya ku na swi twisisa ku munhu a nga need vanhu hinkwavo ku humelela one person that you must see puts it to the kumbexana a nga ta kota ku pfuna u reacha la potential ya wena yi lava ku fika kona so that's one thing that I had to say. I'm not talking about the EP yet. I'm talking about her career in general. And if she goes on and get involved in more beef songs like she did in Matlokonya, nkarhi wa yena le henhla with the main artist because the EP is not being streamed sure. It's struggling. The only songs letting her exposure that thing gonna Mr. Post. I think that they were struggling to go for 10K views. So a career of a caliber with that much potential struggling with streams. No, it's something else. It says a lot about the people that you're associated with. And one thing Nomonde Rodger should ufana ukuma munhu ufana could be kambe ku specialist because the first time I had akuri ka risimu ra could be ra satisfied. And one thing that I've noticed that's just lacking, I don't know, so it's energy. No, like the songs are cool, the songs are good, but then talolo is at another thing. You know, the good vocalists, they have energy. Jerusalem, you feel it. It has energy. Jerusalem, that's what Nomonde does. No, like she lacks that energy, and I think it's because I told you they don't know music that much, so she lacks energy. She lacks that thing, man. That vava boom. So she needs people because look at it is Friday. But then now I saw her fine because of the people that she has in studio. Then one last point, because leswi a yimbelelisa swona nga ri yimbelela swihlanganyani so u swi dyondzisa A E I O U, where else content ya yena yi opposite leswi a nga swi a swi yimbelelisaka xiswona because tinsimu ta yena hinkwato tinsimu ta Nomonde Rodger hinkwato i Nhlambha. No, like handle ka lera Yesu N'wana Maria, but then almost the whole album Bukati, it's a sex song. No, now mina, it's a sex song. No, Lesha Recipe, it's a sex song. Lesha Lazy, 4 songs. To allow less to sing, to allow leku. One no nanga go to satisfy Camarine, blah 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 blah. So Lomba Wanyani, alabu mwenga lera receipt to allow let them agato come when you get a receipt. Let me not say the content la, because uncomfortable ku vulavula hi nhlambhi yo taniya so loko u ri yimbelela theme yimbelela gengi yo taniya why u fane u leka energy because that's some. So I think I've had constructive criticism. She's very talented, she has the potential. Kambe she's being limited by the group that she's associated with. Firstly, you learn one unnecessarily. Secondly, I used to guide them on when they're in studio. Finally, so I got so many like show my juice, shasha draw at swimming because man, I was trying to one from my tongue. Aba show sheep and then I hang and let's have it. Nah, you can man. I don't guys correct music Xitsonga wona not the notes that one. I will feel like nah ya kangani. Oh yeah, we are in. No, come on, guys. So I think Nomonde Rodger, she's a good vocalist. I do show Louise, but then EP, it's English. Then you want a video cake 8 minutes. And I'm always asking the Twanjani, you go with Mr. Post or Mr. Simrabi. And I want to again get a one, we'll see, Serene. But then it's character assassination what he wants to do. If he knows what's good for him, I shouldn't do that. Because I think he knows what kind of a person Mambodele is and what could Mambodele have said at the interview, which I'm delaying to release. Shungan is not worth it because Shungan so also woman swallow long time ago. Starting and one back serious. So if he knows what's best for him, he should actually I I have no quarrel, I have nothing against an artist. This one again. Say the next review and then the review Flora. Liana we and Lairioshin Yogago Mzaj the songwriter la Kurum Zash and the man says she vain, so I wanna appreciate him through that last album that I worked on. Yeah, floor. Sure. Come and subscribe.